Hey everybody, welcome to the nightly video. Let's get started looking at the SPY. We'll see we did go 2 down on Monday, however, nowhere near reversing the week, at least yet. We're still an inside bar. So for a staying inside week, it's likely we go back up tomorrow or even go inside day, inside week tomorrow. If we're not, either going to get the 2 down continuation or the 2-2 reversal. So Monday's highs and lows are important to us. It's important to know that we're an inside week, so we need to stay above or below the previous day's highs and lows tomorrow. If not, you could get a 3. So let's go to Qs. Same deal. All right, so 2-2 reversal to start the week. Do they confirm going down again or negate by going reversal? And at this point, you can see stuck in last week's range. Dow Jones, you'll see the same thing. This is last week's range here. Confirm and negate, right? IDBM, same thing. So simultaneously, all 4 indexes reversed. If they confirm that, we might get a kind of, a little bit of a puke, similar to how all the indexes reversed here on Monday and then confirm Tuesday, and then you get a big rally. So if we go everything reverse and then everything confirm, could get some puke in there, something we'd want to know. That being said, utilities went inside today, so relatively firm. And they did have a 3-1-2 week, although right now still an inside month. Staples, you'll see, did go 2 down, but hammer it back. So we'll see if they go into Staples Utilities if the market continues to be weak. And if not, could be a bad thing, right? We'll see. If we have no buying tomorrow, that'd be no good. That being said, let's go and take a look at the setups in there first. All right, so I took the liberty to kind of just get this done quick, and we'll just run through the list here. So here it is. We're going to see the S&P, everything reversed on Monday. So does that confirm and negate? Utilities and staples held up stronger, so we'll see if those confirm or negate their direction on Monday. Utilities are inside day, which tells you WEC. We'll tell you SO, DUC, and NEE in the utility sector. We got a simultaneous inside bar. And then inside bars, you also have now. You'll have SEDG, and then SYM, which is bright green this month, inside day as a momentum measured move. And then hammers. 4-2-2 reversals will have staples, which is mostly Mondelez and cost. We didn't really see much else of interest there. And then in the uraniums, CCJ, NXE, UEC, LEU are all going to have setups to the upside. So maybe we see a little bit of change with some profit taking in this tech, in the semis, and into some of the more defensive, like your energies, your utilities, your staples, that type of stuff. And then into tomorrow, RevStrat. We had GE on the weekend vid. We'll see if that goes RevStrat down, and this would be RevStrat to the upside on Mondelez. That is about it. As far as stuff mentioned on the weekend vid, I know we had some issues with the upload there. Home builders, we will see Lennar did take the RevStrat week down, so a little bit of weakness in there. The magnitude start coming back through these guys. In home builders, still an inside week, like many things this week. Healthcares, we did see some weakness there to start the week. 2-2 reversal from the weekend vid. Which tells you things like UNH, which did take. You're going to see mother bar stuck, slight higher high shooter, so it did take it down. We'll see if that attempts to follow through. Slight gap up sell tomorrow would be good if we can triangle out these guys in here. As far as the high volatility stuff, a lot of those are still just inside weeks. So you can see like CRDO could become 2-2 day and then inside week and up. Still inside though. If we go to Spotify, still inside week. You'll see from there inside day did go up, but still inside week. ASML still inside week, so just a lot of nothing to start. AMD did take the week down, so that follows through tomorrow could turn into some big profit taken this month. We'll see. Back through previous range. And then GE from the weekend vid is on the RevStrat list because they did poke up Monday, didn't really go anywhere. If they go 2-2 down, you'd have pivot machine gun day, pivot, which triggers the week. Could go a bit further after the triangle out up here. So you can see this. New high, sell them off, triangle out, new high, triangle out, new low. They stop out some of those guys, maybe it's triangle back down. Right, so we'll see how that goes. Side of that, Hims took the week down, but Hammer, so maybe the rev strat the week, still inside month at that point. Then we had Uraniums on the list, which are still inside week, but have the 2-2-day simultaneous break setting up. And then we did have Arc on the list in the weekend vid, which has the Hammer day. Maybe CRISPR, no setup there. Twist, you'll see inside down to start the week, so nothing as far as Arc is concerned. And that's really about it. Not much else to talk about. So here is your short little list going into Monday night. And hopefully you guys have a good night. See you guys in the morning if you're in Stat or StratAlerts.ai Discord room. And if you're not, go join StratAlerts.ai. Check us out. And if you're not going to join, I'll see you in tomorrow night's nightly vid anyway. So adios.